My name is Jamal Tako. I am chairman Pakistan Awami Inclusion PAIM. I'm living in France. I can tell you one thing, even you like me or you don't like me, I just give a damn shit. But I'm going to say something. I'm a Muslim and real Muslim. But the thing is, I'm against all the terrorists. And I gonna tell you one thing. We don't like fanatics, even in Islam, even in Orthodox, even in a Catholic, even in a Buddhism, even in any kind of religion. Fanatics, we hate them, and we are always be a simple Muslim, and we respect the Muslims. And the terrorist should be eliminated everywhere, all over the world, by force or by anything. And we are with every single person who are against the terrorism. Terror is a cancer of the world, and cancer should be cut off from the world. My name is Jamal Tako. I am a revolutionary and I believe on revolution. So, people of the world, you like us or you don't like us. We give a damn shit. But we love truth, reality, and the thing straight away. I hope so. You understand me very well. I am Jamal Tako, Chairman Pakistan Awami Club PAIM from France, and President Aghasan Sayed from Germany. Okay, thank you very much. See you later. Ciao.